Hi, this is Eric with Forge Gone Conclusions. Today we're going to be creating a bracelet. These are our starting materials. We've got some wire, some flat stock, lobster claw, a little bit of cable chain. So the first step, we're going to be creating a circle on the flat plate. We have our circle, we're going to be cutting it out now. We're going to do a little bit of general cleanup, and then we're going to solder the chain onto the circle. I have my piece of chain, I'm going to cut it. And now we're going to take our piece of chain, we're going to attach it to our disc on either side. We attached the chain to our disc. At this point, we're going to be forming a whole bunch of jump rings to create a chain extender. We have our jump rings, so at this point in time we're going to be fitting them together. We've made our jump rings and turned that into a chain extender. We're going to be soldering all of those rings. We've got our chain put together and our chain extender. At this point, we're going to be cutting down the overall length of it, and then we're going to be adding our parts to create a 7.5-inch bracelet. Now we're attaching the chain extender. We're going to solder our jump rings together now. Everything's all soldered on this. We're going to start cleaning it up and getting it ready for the final step of engraving. We're going to engrave the C on our bracelet now, and we're going to do this on both sides. The bracelet's done. At this point, we're going to be doing some ultrasonicking to remove any oils and soils and then steam it. There we go. We've got our C engraved, so our C bracelet is complete. This is Eric with Forge Gone Conclusions. Thanks for joining us today. If you're looking for custom jewelry, feel free to reach out to us.